Alice lived on a farm with their dog Barnaby. It was a pretty farm. It had a big red barn and a hayloft. Sheep grazed on the grass. Geese and ducks waddled on the ground and swam in the pond. Donna and Alice often went out on the pond in the small boat, but only when their mother or father went with them. After school and on Saturdays, Donna did chores on the farm. She collected fresh eggs from the chicken coop. She fed the sheep. She fed the ducks and the geese. Alice wanted very much to help with the chores, but she was too small to work on the farm. All she could do was watch her big sister and follow her around. Donna loved Alice, but she was not very happy when Alice tagged after her all the time. Donna didn't like being a babysitter for her own sister, especially since Alice was forever doing things wrong, like picking the wormy apples instead of the good apples. Poor Alice. She was always getting into trouble. Once she climbed the ladder to the top of the barn, and Donna had to rescue her from the hayloft. Twice she got lost in the cornfield, and both times Donna had to search for her. When Donna finally let her carry the egg basket, she dropped it and broke 16 eggs. Of course, nothing was as bad as the time she painted Barnaby with her finger paints. One Saturday, Donna's friends came for a visit. Alice was very pleased to have company. She tagged along after them until Donna could stand it no longer. Everyone knows, Donna told Alice angrily, that little girls don't play with big girls. Go away, pest, she added sternly. Find your own friends and play with them. Alice was hurt and sad. I don't know any friends, she muttered. Oh well, there's always Barnaby. Again. She wandered off toward the pond, wishing that some magical act could make her as old as her big sister. If that happened, though, she would have her own friends. And she wasn't quite sure if she would let Donna play with them. Donna entertained Jill, Susan, and Nancy with her new beanbag game. She was a very good beanbag player. She won 4 games in a row until she was absolute champion. Meanwhile, at the pond, just as they were about to begin another game, Donna realized she hadn't seen Pesty Alice for over an hour. Where's Alice? She asked. No one knew. We'd better find that Alice before she gets into trouble. You go to the hayloft, Donna told Nancy. And you, she said to Jill and Susan, take a look in the cornfield. Alice! Alice! Called Donna. Alice! Alice! Called Jill. Alice! Alice! Called Susan. Where are you, Alice? Donna called and searched and searched and called. Not until she came to the duck pond did she see Alice. There, in the boat, in the middle of the pond, was her little sister and Barnaby. Oh, oh, cried Donna. Alice is marooned in the middle of the pond. Don't worry, Alice, Donna shouted. I'll save you. But how? Donna was really sorry she'd called her sister a pest. I know, thought Donna. I'll get my friends to help. I can't leave Alice alone in the pond. I'll swim to the boat myself, she thought. But what will I do when I get there? I'll throw out the rope, she thought, and pull the boat to shore. But what if the boat tips over when Alice reaches for the rope? No, thought Donna. I'll walk to the boat. But maybe the water is too deep. I'll wait for the wind to move the boat to the shore, she thought. But what if no wind comes? Oh, Alice, come back, Donna shouted weakly. I want you to play with me and my friends. I mean, our friends. Alice and Barnaby sat looking very unhappy in the boat in the middle of the pond. Meanwhile, back at the cornfield, Susan and Jill still called, Alice, Alice. And in the barnyard, Nancy still shouted, Alice, Alice. And from the shore of the duck pond, Donna still cried, I'll save you, Alice. What will happen to poor little Alice? There are many ways to end a story, and there are many kinds of stories. Who knows what happened to poor little Alice? Who knows what happened to Donna and her friends? Do you? How would you save Alice and Barnaby? How would you end this story?